Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix Instagram could not refresh feed. First you need turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on this again. Or if you use the mobile data, just activate the airplane mode and deactivate it again. Then go to the Instagram and try to refresh feed. If it didn't work for you, go to the Google Play Store. Using search bar on the top of the screen, find the Instagram. Here click on the Instagram, and if you have not open but update here, click on it and update the Instagram app and go to the Instagram and try to uh, refresh feed. But if it didn't work again, go to this page Google Play Store and uninstall the Instagram and then download it again, and it will be work. This all for today. Goodbye.